It's a Grande Cambio Filipino English lesson, and we are on board of a plane. We are on the plane, and on the plane, of course, you have some English again. And the life vest under your seat. Life vest is a special jacket, special shirt, special t-shirt you put on to save your life for safety. It is under, that's below, beneath your seat. Seat is the chair. That's actually the seat, the big armchair. So fasten seatbelt while seated. That means if you sit down during the moment of sitting down, your seatbelt. This seatbelt is piece of string, piece of material around your waist. Actually, it's here. That's the seatbelt. Fasten. When I fasten, you see, I buckle it up and I fasten. I close it. I basically close it. I secure it. That's fastening. It has got nothing to do with fast or quick or express. That means to close it. Okay, so you see, that's it. Life is under your seat. Fasten seatbelt while seated. And here's another text. Table must be stowed for taxi, takeoff and landing. Oh, that's a very interesting text. Stowed. So this table, which you can see here, okay, stowed, so put back, I would say parked, put back, closed, basically closed, for taxi, takeoff and landing. Landing is easy because it's stopping the plane on the land. Takeoff, it's taking off, which is starting the plane, putting the plane in the air. But the taxi, what do you mean? There's Uber coming over. Okay, for the moment of driving the plane on the ground, when the plane, in Polish it's kołowanie, so when the plane is going round and round to prepare for taking off, for the start, so they recommend that the table should be closed, stowed. Okay, and that was your Filipino Grande Cambio English lesson. Was it advanced? Was it difficult? I think it was quite daily English. Still some crazy funny words like taxi or like fasten or like life vest. Enjoy, have fun flying with Grande Cambio Airlines. Flying your English with Grande Cambio Airlines.